First, when we're drawing the object, we want to draw the bigger shape. You don't want to draw the small details first. The first thing you have to make up your mind is how big is the object that you're going to draw on the paper. So just draw something like an oval shape. I know this is the right place, the right size, and then I come in over here. I have a lesson drawing this pepper with charcoal. So if you want to do some practice how to draw it before you come to the watercolor painting. This is the outside of the pepper. Now I'm going to divide this into two portions. One's the top over here and coming up. I would have the links on the video that on the top right corner. You can click on it and you can go to see the drawing lesson of this pepper. I'm going to start with, I'm just going to put quite a bit of red color outside here. That's good. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to start with somewhere has a little bit more just red color. So over here, I'm going to start over here. Just look as you paint. Pay attention. Okay, I'm going to paint it into this area, and I'm going to leave the highlight like this. As you paint it, the color just red. I'm going to just put the red color in here. As you are moving forward, look, okay, don't paint it into the highlight. And this is a very important, like this. And then coming on the top over here also just red. But coming a little higher, and the red color is getting a little bit darker. So it's important to see the value of the color. Okay, like this. And look before you paint. Now on this side, I'm going to add a little blue color in here because the color looks a little bit darker. So I'm going to start over here and coming up like this. Okay, looking at the outside. Look before you paint, like that. And now I'm painting around the highlight area, like this. And then going up. Now I need a little bit more red color. The color a little bit too thin. It's not rich enough. I'm gonna come in here. And there is the highlight. You see, you can leave it, so don't kill the highlight. Leave it there. And now come to over here. I also have a little highlight, and over here. Now coming to, and some area we probably want it to be darker, so we can do it in the second step to add another layer on the top, and also can take out the color using lift up color technique. And now I'm gonna keep going, keep adding the color. I think I need a little bit blue color on the top over here. Here we go. Now take a look. Look before you paint. And the whole surface is still wet, so it's okay. Just keep painting through here. And I think in this area, I have a little bit like a half translucent. I can lift up the color in that case. And now I'm gonna get into the bottom over here. Now this still considered the first layer of the painting process, okay? They all melt into each other. There is a kind of wet into wet. It's called also, we have a name for the technique. Okay, coming through over here, I get a little bit down over here. I think the color get a little bit darker and darker because the bottom over here should have a little bit more blue colors. And in that case, I'm gonna add a little bit darker color, have a little blue color into the mixture, right? And now this color obviously darker than just the red. And I'm gonna put that in here. And if you want it, you can just tap the color in here. It's called, this technique called dropping in the dark color. Okay, like that. And this is fine. You don't want to do too much into here because it's still wet. If you put another color in here, the water in the new paint would push the color away. So that case it would have some texture you might not really want to keep. Okay, in that case, but on the edge over here, I do want to make the brush a little bit thinner like this, almost like a no water. And I'm going to actually fine tune that and actually make it a little bit smoother, like that. Now I'm going to go into the cast shadow. And maybe a little bit yellow if you want it to be a little bit gray, a little bit more blue.
What's that?
Star, maybe in the lighter area, even a little bit more yellow. Now, here we go. We're going to start over here. And you see the stem is a dark green color, right? So do we need to leave painting around the stem?
No.
No, because a darker color can be painted later on top of the lighter color. So we don't need to leave it around. So, but however, I don't want to touch the red color right now unless you want the color come in here. So you can leave a little gap for now, like that. Or if you want to get it in, it's fine, okay? Painting is a painting, it's not a photograph. Now I'm gonna have a little bit more yellow. I can see a little bit more yellow on the top over here. So now, like this, one, and you see another shape like this. And I can soften the outside edge a little bit later. Okay, now the outside, now coming inside over here, and I'm gonna get a little bit red, a little bit blue. Now make this color a little bit darker. You ready? Now coming around over here. And I can have this color now come in over here is fine because at the edge over here actually look more as dark red colors because the color reflected into the cast shadow. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna get this like almost like this color right over here. I'm gonna start over here, from here, coming through. So have some confidence, don't panic, and everything will be fine. Okay, it's just a painting. Okay, over here, I'm gonna also can touch it. It's fine. And coming through over here, like that. So this is the first layer of the painting. Now what I want to do now, I'm gonna clean my brush, right? It's not much water. Now what I want to do, I'm gonna outside over here and start soften the edge. How much water you use at what time is very crucial. Right now, my brush is not much wet. It's not much water. If you have lots of water over here, and that water would come into the wet area and create like a flower. So now we're going to just use the soft brush. Now I make the outside a little softer edge. Those are all basic technique, and after you use it a little more, you would know how to control it. Now, just have the soft edge coming out. And we can do a little more later. Now, take a look over here. This almost dry. So you're planning for your whole paintings. And somewhere over here is still not totally dry yet. This is perfect because I want to lift up some color and you see a little light on the top. And what I want to do, I'm going to lift up the color. You see that? That's called lifting techniques. So the brush is not totally dry, but it's very little water in the brush. Okay, now I'm going to continue and lift up a little bit more. The paper is not totally dry, okay? It's like 80% dry-ish, like this. Now coming through over here. By lifting up the color, we create a bigger contrast. It's because we make it look a little bit lighter. Now coming down over here. In case this is totally dry, you can use more water to move the paint before you lift up the paint with drier brush. Okay, now I'm going to lift up a little bit more color over here. That's good. And lift a little bit more over here. Now looking at the other side, and actually also here have a little bit area we can lift it up a little bit. So make the feeling of the surface that is glassy. Okay, it's very shiny. That's good. Now over here on the edge over here, I also need to make it a little bit softer like this. So make it look like a little bit softer transition in here. And the same thing over here, I'm going to lift up a little color like this. You don't have to make it exactly the same as the photo reference. Now lift up the color. And now looking at the bottom over here, we also need to do some lifting because that actually catch the light from reflected from the table, right? So what we're gonna do, we're gonna just continue do a little lifting at the bottom over here, like that. Very simple. Continue, like smooth line coming here, like that. And we're gonna do one more line under here. So as you're doing the painting, you don't want it to think about, oh, this is a pepper. All you see is the color, okay? Darker color, lighter color, something like that. And we're gonna do also a little lifting at the edge over here, like this. So make it look a little bit more natural. So almost there. And we're gonna wait until this dry before we coming into a little bit more editing. Our next step is doing lifting and adjustment. Adjustment is very important in the painting process. Now I use this bigger brush and will avoid create too much texture. So I'm looking at this and just use the side of the brush. And now I'm gonna coming through over here. If you use the small brush, it could have too much texture. So this, having a big brush like this, it's really helpful. It's very flexible. Some of new member here and did not know the material that I use. I will have the link in my video description, and you can go take a look at the material that I use. So I use the big brush, remove some of the color, take a look, and also at the bottom over here, start over here, it actually have some lighter color also reflected from the environment. So I just remove some color, just reuse portion of my flat brush. Now the next thing we're gonna do, we're gonna finish the stem to make it look complete. I'm gonna mix some dark green color, so get a little yellow color into here. This color is pretty dark. So mostly the darkest color will be the dark purple colors. Okay, that's pretty dark. But also some lighter area also wanna have some yellow color in it. So now we're gonna do that star over here. Have the color is still quite wet. I'm going to come back to do a little more for the lighter area. Looking for the shape. How thick, how wide is the shape? A little thin line. So as you see, the area I'm painted on is not wet. It's already dry. So this is very good. Now we have the illusion of the stem. But what I want to do now, I'm going to use my brush, I'm going to do a little lifting. Over here, actually looking for this portion of the red pepper actually turning in a little bit lighter area. And then this painting is finished.